Alright, welcome back din ng Mini Mage PH. So today maglaro lang tayo ng Brawl for 5 games at in-update na natin yung decklist natin na ang ating paboritong si Jury Master of the Review. Before that, shoutout muna sa ating 14 subscribers dito. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat sa inyo. That's the reason why I'm doing these videos sa Magic the Gathering, okay? So, sir, again, we'll play Brawl today, just 5 games, and sabi ko nga, in-update ko na yung list. I've just added one card na bago sa deck. This is, nasa na ba siya? I've added Norin Swift Survivalist. Okay, so sa Duskmorn. So meron akong dito sa deck nung nakuha ko nung draft. If you haven't watched yung draft video ko, you can watch it after nito. So, sabi niya it's red 2-1. Norin Swift Survivalist can't block. Whenever a creature you control becomes blocked, you may exile it. You may play that card from exile this turn. So, basically maganda siyang addition dito since one drop lang siya and decent yung power niya for one drop. It's 2 power, so mas madali siyang maka-damage, reduce ng buhay ng kalaban. Plus, kung na-block yung mga maliliit mong creatures or even yung malalaki mong creatures and gusto mo siyang i-recast para to put additional threat dun sa support, then may blockers ka pa at the same time. And if you wanna sack it then, pagka-block, you can sack it kay Jury and then recast it for later turn after post-combat. Okay, so yun lang yung additional sa deck. Okay, let's play 5 games ng Brawl today. Let's do it. Okay, so if you haven't watched our other videos pala, sa Brawl, have game for Jury. Kung gusto nyo maglaro ng ibang Brawl deck, I think yun lang yung pinaka-decent kong deck sa Brawl. But, I'll just rather play Brawl whole day. Standard, okay din, medyo expensive lang kasi yung mga cards, like yung rares pala, ibig sabihin. So I only have like 3 rares, 6 mythic. So kaya I'm saying it's less expensive dito sa Brawl. Okay, let's see what we got. Ghost Vacuum. Exile target card from a graveyard, pay 6. Sacrifice Ghost Vacuum. Put each creature card exile with Ghost Vacuum on the battlefield under your control with a flying counter on it. Each of them is a 1/1 spirit in addition to its other types. Activate only as a sorcery. Okay. So, that's okay. But we'll move on sa game. Alright. So, let's see. We'll just play 5 games and see kung kamusta yung win rate natin. Hopefully, maybe we can have 100% win rate using Jury today. Let me know then kung ano yung gusto nyo makitang deck sa Brawl. Oh, interesting. Kenrith. Okay. Okay. Oh, medyo clunky tong kamay na to. But, well, free mulligan. Oh, this one is solid. Okay. Okay to. So, we'll keep. Okay, so meron tayong 1 drop, dalawang 1 drop, 2 drop. Of course, we have Jury. Oh. Kenrith, I don't know kung anong build niya, but we'll see. So guys, what do you play in Arena? What format do you play? You're also playing Brawl. Anong deck niyo sa Brawl kung naglalaro kayo ng Brawl? Okay. So we'll cast Blood-Soaked Champion. Tingnan natin kung ano yung second drop. Yeah. Okay. So he's ramping. Okay, tapos may Leyline of Sanctity siya. Hindi ko napansin yun. Okay. You have Hexproof. Interesting. Ano kayang gagawin niya? Okay. So we'll just attack. And then we'll cast Smuggler siguro. So meron tayong Flying Evasion. So para kung may mga board wipe siya, pwede natin maiwasan yun by using the copter. Helicopter. Okay. Alright. So, we'll cast this one. Tapos, cast this para i-crew si Smuggler. Submit. And then we'll go to combat. Draw card tayo. Okay. And then discard Black Leaves. Then pass the turn. Interesting. Okay. So we'll fetch yung Wooded Foothills. Hanap tayo ng Cedar. Okay, we won the first game. Thank you. Okay, sige. Next game tayo. So first win natin for today. So we'll have the second game. Let's see, move on na tayo sa second game natin. Alright, let's see. Ginagawa nyo this morning, I'm just drinking my black coffee this Sunday. This Sunday morning. Okay, so I think equipment deck to. Okay, we'll do free mulligan. Oh man. Wala tayong 1 drop. 3 drop yung kasunod. Obviously, we'll mulligan. Okay, medyo ganun din to, but we'll just keep. That's fine, may mga removal naman tayo. Okay, so we'll just move this here. Drop natin yan. So we'll play the vault. Okay. So si Brunor, Battle Hammer. Okay. So play a mountain. Cast natin si Shade para may 3-1 tayo. So each creature you control gets +2/+0 for each equipment attached to it, plus pay 0, attach a target creature you control to target creature you control. Activate only as a sorcery, only once each turn. Okay. Alright, so I think we have to kill that para we can send him the shade. Okay, there we go. Alright. Swords, body, and mind. Aray, masakit dyan mga sir. Alright, so we'll have to cast that and Bone Crusher. Unfortunately, wala tayong fourth land para we can cast Aristocrat. Para we can swing for 4 damage saka, you know, nasa air. Ayan na yung 5/4. Wow, 9/6 na siya. Protection from green and protection from blue. Okay. So I think we have to kill it now. Kasi kung nakafocus siya dyan, you can probably win. Unfortunately, wala tayong pampatay doon ngayon. So ang gagawin natin ay we'll cast Diabolic Intent. We'll sacrifice this. And then we'll have a removal. Bang magandang removal natin? I think Fatal Push. So 4 drop lang naman yan eh. So pwede natin patayin. Okay. So we can cast this. Okay. And then we'll combat. Sige, sugod mga kapatid. Tayo ay magsama-sama. Iwagayway na ang bandera. Rock and roll hanggang umaga. Okay, isa pa yan. So, search mo na ng equipment. Kailan mo ba mapapansin aking lihim? Kahit anong aking gawin, di mo mapapansin. Tama ba yun? Tama yung lyrics ko. Kailan? Kailan ko ba? Mo ba? Mo ba? Ano ba? Mo ba? Okay. Ayan na mga sir, double strike yan. Okay. Sige, let's hit him. Ang problema ng equipment deck is kung wala ka nang i-equip ng deck. Di ba? Kailan? Okay. So we'll swing 4, 7. Okay. So, pwede ng lethal mamaya. So, ang problema niya, pag nag-cast siya ng creature ngayon, hopefully wala siyang board wipe. Then we can cast Falcon na Wrath kung may blocker siya sa baba. And then we'll there. Okay. Importante wag lang siyang mag-lifelink today. Kasi if he okay. So I think we can win this game. Alright, so we'll swing for all. Kasi if he blocks the giant, he'll take 7. Yo, we won again. 'Di ba? Ayun lang. Ayun lang mga bra. Minsan talaga may matchup na maganda, may matchup na mag-over the top ka, may matchup na mas madali. Pero marami ding matchup na mahirap eh. So we'll play the third game for today. So we're still 100%. Panalo pa rin tayo. So naka 2 games na tayo. Third match. Alright. Sinong kalaban natin? Okay. So wala na naman tayong one drop. Kung may one drop ako, I'll good. Okay. Okay to. So we'll keep this hand. We'll go first. So we'll cast Cult and then Jury perhaps, or see. Cell Sword. Okay. Command Tower for turn. Cult Conscript. Okay, so enters the battlefield. Pay 1 in a black. Return Cult Conscript from your graveyard to the battlefield. If activate only if a non-skeleton creature died under your control this turn. Okay. So we'll swing this combat. Alright. So, fortunately may nabuo na tayong Shade. Kasi mas malakas ang power niyan. So we'll not cast Jury yet. And we have a backup. Meron tayo on Earth. And then maganda sa Shade is if you play a land drop, then you can recast it. Ayan, Death Touch pa nga. Okay. Tiny Bones. Oh, Death Touch Shaman. Okay, interesting. So we'll have to swing regardless. Fortunately, wala tayong lupa. So I'll cast Jury. Let's see. Kailangan natin ng lupa, mga bra. So, Tyvar, Jubilant Brawler. So, unlike sa Dual Commander or DC, sa Brawl kasi you can choose a legendary Planeswalker. Well, I think all naman ng Planeswalker ay legendary. So, we'll discard 2. Wow, dalawa pala yon. Okay. So, I think this one. Okay. So, I can get it back from the graveyard naman eh. Yan. Okay, yon may third land na tayo sa wakas. Thank you, Lord. So, would we cast it? Skyclave or Oo nga pala, may shaman siya. Okay. Mukhang mahirapan tayo kumuha ng mga creatures natin sa graveyard. So, let's swing. Okay. Tapos pwede pa siya mag-gain 2 life. Oh, that's good. Okay. Kung may Okay. So I think we'll have to fatal push this Deathrite Shaman. Now. Ang galing. Meron pa siya nun. Okay. So we'll have to do it regardless. Okay. We'll have to swing. I think we'll have to kill it. This one. And then we'll swing at Jury. Kung sino ka man. Okay. That is fine. Decline natin yan. I think we'll have to kill this bird. Bird, 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 bird. Alright, so we'll have to cast an Earth. Si Jury ba? Or... Yeah, I think si Jury. Bago pa siya. Para lumaki. Yep, there. And then... Okay. Okay, so balik 3-3 si Jury. Hindi ko alam kung paano natin tatanggalin si Deathrite Shaman. And then we have Jet Collector. Okay, ginagawa nito. Put target creature with mana value X from your graveyard onto the battlefield. Ang lakas naman nito. With a finality counter. Okay, nakakuha pa siya ng Vraska. Man. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Ito yung mahirap. Mid-range kasi ito eh. So we'll just cast. We'll have to put some pressure talaga eh. So we have to kill those creatures. And balik natin yan. Okay. So napag-establish tayo ng konting damage doon. But Vraska, paano ba to? So if you play Vraska, pwede siyang pumatay ng creature or probably Kane. Ito act. Si Tyvar na naman. Babalik na naman siya ng creature, unfortunately. Ang tanong, sinong babalik niya? Okay. This is getting interesting. Okay. Yun, sa wakas may lupa din. Okay. So we have to swing to each one of them. Fortunately, wala siyang creature. He has to die. Then I think we'll have to cast. Hopefully wala siyang board wipe. Speaking of board wipe, hindi ko nakita yon. Okay. I didn't expect that. Uy, pwede nag-choose pala siya, pwede. Warrior, I didn't know. Okay. Okay. So we'll have to swing first. Kaya natin to. Let's do this. Come on. Aja. Aja no. Aja don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. So we'll cast Jury. Okay. And then play the Delta. Okay. Then we'll pass. Turn. Third game natin eh, no? Ano ba? Third game. Okay. Hmm. Siya na naman. Let's see. Uh-oh, yun lang. Babalik na siya at magkakaroon ng 5-5. Oh boy. Okay. So we'll activate this. So we'll put the theater. Uy, may ma-reanimate pa tayo. Ito. Wala, mapayat ang ma-reanimate natin. So you wanna put that. Yun natin siya dyan sa graveyard. Hopefully we get something good. Okay. So pwede natin patayin yun. Ano ba pwede balik? Ano pwede natin gawin? Okay. Okay, we'll pass the turn. Let's see. Let's see what happens. No attacks. Of course. Kailangan natin ng removal. Kailangan natin ng removal. Come on. We need the removal or two. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin yan. Jury. Jury, jury. Siya na naman. Walang katapusan. Walang hanggang katapusan. Di ka ba natatakot? Ayun, nakakatakot. 13-13. Ano yan? Di kaya'y nagsasawa. Okay. Mount Doom tayo. Okay. Hindi rin eh. We can't. Okay. We can't kill him with that. But okay. Okay. So, let's see. Uy, Eldrazi na yan. Si Tyvar. 11 to cast. Oh boy, ang hirap. Okay. So, okay, we'll have to block. We'll have to block. And yeah, let's kill this one. Hopefully makatap tayo ng removal. Hindi siya removal, but okay, I think we'll have to kasi combat sa kanya. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so kailangan natin ng blocker. So, pwede tayo umattack. Okay. Pwedeng si Bugbear ulit. So, combat tayo nito. So, importante lang wala siyang removal. Let's cross our fingers. Wala siyang removal. Wala. Kasi walang kuryente. Brownout, walang kuryente. Walang kuryente. Walang kuryente. Brownout, walang kuryente. Brownout, walang kuryente. Wala. Kasi walang kuryente, brownout, walang kuryente, walang kuryente, brownout, walang kuryente. Of course, we'll have to block. Bull Mat Courier. Gusto pa ba natin yan? Ano ba gagawin nito? Okay. I think either Mount Doom, so leave tayo ng blocker. Wala, that's the best play eh. We have to swing. Next to combat. Siya uli. So down 4 siya. May blocker tayo. So pwede pa natin siya ma-block, di ba? Can't be blocked by creatures with greater power. Okay. So pwede pa natin siya ma-block. Okay. Oh boy, ang hirap nito. Come on. Uh-oh. Yun lang. Anong kailangan natin dito? Kailangan natin ng Falcon Wrath. Si Aristocrat ang kailangan natin. Ang hirap nito ah. Grabe to. Oh boy. Importante wag siya mag-gain. So kung or either I get a lightning bolt or ano yung pwedeng one drop pagka 4 damage pagka meron siyang multicolor na card or permanent. Yung dalawang yun. And then we can mount Doom kung lightning bolt. Basta damage to the face ang kailangan eh. Yikes, lupa. Lupa. Magdodraw ba siya? Okay. Yes. I think that let's see. So I have to cast this already. Si Bowmat. Bowmaster pala. Bowmat tuloy. Sinabawasan. Okay. I think that's the game. We'll see. Ba? Yun lang, nag-gain pa siya ng buhay. Wait, fetch lang tayo. Hirap ng match na to ah. Grindy. But it's still good. I think kailangan natin magdagdag ng mga removal dito sa brawl. Okay. Not sure kung okay din si Master dito. Dito pa sa gantong format ah. I mean, sa bagong meta, I think. And of course, Magic evolves and then the format evolves. So the deck has to evolve din. Mag-adapt dun sa meta. Which is mahirap talaga. So, let's see. Yeah, I think we have to quit, unfortunately. So we'll have to concede. That's fine. Malakas din talaga yung deck. Especially nung early and mid game. Hirap niyang patayin. Like maka-penetrate ng damage kasi bumabalik lang yung mga creatures niya, tao niya. So, that's okay. We've learned. So, fourth game na tayo kagad. Last two games, guys. So, we're 2 out of 3. Hopefully, we win the last two games. But, just wanna play Jury again this weekend para, chill lang tayo sa draft namin kagabi. Inom muna tayong tubig. Okay, this is a good hand. So, meron tayong curve. Okay. So, let's keep it. Okay, ito na naman sila. Yung Lurus Amelia Eme. Eme. Okay. Eme de la Cruz ng Pasay. Okay, let's see. Ayun na naman si tap. Okay, we'll swing. So, mag-Skyclave tayo kasi si Karizev wala siyang ganong bilang kasi pag meron siyang council, so ETB ng creatures natin tap. So, Karizev, unfortunately si Ragavan doesn't work kasi pagpasok niya, pag-create mo, mamamatay din, sayang. Okay. So, we'll cast. Yeah, we'll swing first. So we'll swing first and then Utavolt na lang siguro and then cast Strider. Yun lang, magiging siya ng 2 buhay. Yeah, resolved. Imagine 4-4 agad dyan, no? Mga sir. Tapos mid hook pa sa top. Wow. Good luck talaga. Yan na nga, Mythic Massacre. Sak na tayo. Hopefully we can get something. Ayaw natin yan. Sak pa uli. Grabe naman to, Mythic Massacre pa, sir. Isa pa. Something spicy. Good. Ayaw din natin yan. Buto na filter through natin yung library. So malaking tulong yun. Okay, so we'll cast Old Blood Crypt. Okay. Recast lang natin. Yep, resolved. Then we'll cast Jury. Okay. Ano ba ang kailangan nating gawin? Is Jury still viable sa Brawl? Okay naman, kaya lang marami din talagang malakas na deck na. Imagine may mga legendary creatures ka pa dito. I mean, Planeswalkers. Yeah, I think that's a problem. Excuse me. Tapos nakatap pa yan. Next to combat. So attack natin si Shade. Okay. Let's see. Okay, tapos we'll play this one. And then we'll cast Claim. Oh, hindi pala pwede. My bad. Hindi pala pwede si WoW. So since nasa graveyard na siya, we can't do that. Okay. That's fine. So, cycle na lang natin si Canyon. Hopefully we can get a removal. Thoughtseize pa nga. Thoughtseize pa nga. Okay. Yeah, most likely kukunin niya si Claim. Kasi Karizev walang bilang eh. Ayun na, si artist. Okay. I won't block, no blocks. So, cycle natin si Canyon. Take 1. Okay. I think we'll have to combat. Yeah, let's swing. Pumunot na nga, mga kababayan. Anong nabunot mo? Ganda naman nung malis nun. Ganda nung flare niya. No attacks, of course. You will have to cast this na. I think we'll have to go to Layla. Laylia. Kasi we have to put Death Touch and Menace sa kanya. So, mas madali siya yun lang, Iganjo pa nga ang nabunot. Ano ba to, sir? So, I'm willing to trade si Jury para mapatay ko to si... Ayan. So, may Lurus na. So, mas mahirap na tong patayin. So, but we'll kill Lurus pag umatak siya. Kasi he can get one card each turn. Ayun na nga, in-exile na niya. So, take action. Lagyan natin yan sa command zone. Wow, down 1. And mamamatay na din tayo, I think. Kasi pag nag-suck siya ng creature, will die. Yeah, unfortunately. Oh boy. Yan talaga ang buhay. Lagi kang napagsasabihan. Dahil ikaw ay bata. Namatay tayo sa Barbarian Ring. Okay. Wala bang ano ba yan? Ang hirap. Ayos lang yun. Last game natin. Bawi tayo. So we're 50% win rate last game of the day. And I hope so far my pick up kayo how to play Brawl, ano yung mga ano yung meta, ano yung mahirap na cards na kalaban, I mean, deck na kalaban, ano yung how do you play around it, how do you play against it. Mahirap lately. So, last couple of weeks, okay yung laro natin eh. So, we had like, eighty or I think 80 or 90% win rate out of 10 games. Ngayon, hindi eh. It's completely tough. It's hard. Well, I would agree naman na kailangan ng modification ng deck. But, ang sikip na din kasi, masikip na rin eh. Sikip yung deck. So, ano priority mo? Removal or board presence threat? You know, or more one drop, two drops para you can put more pressure. Diba? It's a balancing act eh. So it's hard, but that's okay. I'm up for the challenge, yeah. So ganun talaga. We'll just have to, do our best. Hindi mo naman masasagot lahat ng mga cards, especially. O ayan, panalo na tayo. Napakasimple. That's it, guys. So, thanks for watching. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And again, if you have any feedback, comments, suggestions, please let me know. Anong nilalaro mo sa Magic the Gathering? Anong format nilalaro mo sa arena? Anong deck mo sa arena? What deck do you play the most? And sa labas, what do you play? Do you play modern, outside digital, outside arena, or MTG online? Anong format nilalaro mo? Anong deck mo? Anong sa EDH? Yes, of course. We play EDH every Saturday sa kasama playgroup ko. Kagabi naglaro kami, birthday ni Boss Jake. Happy birthday, Boss Jake. Hopefully nag-enjoy ka kahapon. So we played around 2 p.m. until 11 p.m. yesterday, and we have some fun. May mga nag-draft kami ng Commander Legends Baldur's Gate. So dalawang 6-man pod, tapos ano ba? Like nag-draft kami, you wait for the video, I'll post it live, okay, in the next few days, yung live na drafting namin, and then yung game itself. So walang cut yun. It's pure raw, and hopefully you like the video. Okay? So yun, ano din yung nilalaro mong deck sa labas? If you play EDH, anong mga deck mo? Napakaraming decks sa EDH. And yun lang. I hope you've enjoyed today. Oh, it's almost 1 hour yung video. 'Di ba? Nice. And if you like this type of video, please let me know. Okay? Or if you watch my other videos, ano yung mga gusto mo yung videos ko, and we'll keep making more. And if you haven't watched my other videos, please do so. You can watch my videos, Samut Sare, about Magic the Gathering and other trading card games. And that's it for today, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Again, be someone by helping someone. Thank you and have a good day. Ciao.